Listen to the story carefully. Story 26. Bones and Silence. I stepped into a case that felt heavier than usual, a mystery wrapped in shadows and secrets. The past whispered through bones, old grudges and quiet fears. Every clue I found led to more questions, and the city seemed full of hidden stories no one wanted to tell. I talked to people, followed hunches, and slowly, the picture emerged: pain, betrayal and choices that echoed years later. Solving it wasn't just about catching someone. It was about understanding why things happened and how silence can protect or harm. By the end, I realized that truth often comes with discomfort, and justice is more complicated than right or wrong. Listening, noticing and being patient mattered as much as action. Answer the following questions. Well done! You did it! Compare your answers with the suggested ones.